Hey friends, happy Halloween! It is Halloween today. Now, you won't actually see this video until tomorrow, but I hope you had a wonderful, fun, awesome Halloween if you celebrate. If you did anything fun, let me know below. I'd like to know. The last few years we've been going to one of our friends' neighborhoods trick-or-treating. They have such a nice neighborhood and they have two little boys, and so we get together and we go trick-or-treating together. And actually one of her boys, his birthday is on Halloween, so we usually have cake beforehand or whatever. So that's what we are doing tonight. And again, I hope you had a fun Halloween no matter what you decided to do, even if you decided to just stay home and take a nap. All right, we are here to do some cash stuffing, you guys. Let's start with the rollover, if any. Let's see, do we have any change in here? Oh my gosh, there's like literally no change. So let me know how your week has been going. I just literally blanked out for a moment on what to say. Oh, you guys, okay. It has happened. I have finally decided on a move-in date for our house. We are going to move November 11th. So that is right around the corner. There are still some things that need to be finished up in the basement before we can move in. We need to put we need to do some, well, when I say we, I mean my husband. He needs to touch up the paint on the walls a little bit, and the flooring needs to go in, and then that is it. So November 11th, I think it's a Monday. I wanted to do the 9th, but the movers that we're using aren't available on the 9th, so we're doing the 11th, which is fine because that whole weekend before we can pack and get things ready to go and whatever. So it's happening, you guys. So I guess November 11th, we will be sleeping at the new house. I am so beyond ready to just be in there already. And it's going to be a lot of back and forth. I'm going to have to come back to this house a lot to grab, you know, a lot of stuff. But I just can't wait to actually be living there. And so, yeah, pretty soon I will have a brand new office. I have no idea what the lighting's going to be like. I hope it will be better than, you know, the situation I have here. We'll see. I don't know. I really want to like set up and organize my office and have it be like, I don't know, just like fully organized and everything. So if you guys have any ideas on like organization, office setup, like furniture that would be best for that. Now, I don't really want to buy a whole lot of new furniture. Like I don't want to spend a ton of money, but if it's something that's going to help me be organized, then I am willing to consider it, because if you've seen my office / craft room tours before, I just have so much stuff. And yes, I do plan on purging a lot, but I have so much stuff, and so I need a way to organize it, and I would like it to look nice. So we'll see. I'll definitely, of course, do like an office craft room tour once we're in, and then I think I'll probably do like a house walkthrough as well, again, because you guys saw it when we first bought it. It's like completely different now. I know I've shown like updates and things like that, but I do plan to do, you know, a house walkthrough. So let's see how much rollover cash we have. 20, 40, 60, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really? 99? $99. That's good though. That's a good amount. So I'm going to put this aside to go towards savings challenges. And thank you so much for the birthday wishes for my husband. His birthday was on Tuesday, the 29th. So we went out to dinner. We had a nice night. And yeah. All right. I have a lot of cash here because we're doing all the things. So we're going to take a look at the budget in a second. But before that, I have to take care of something. And I figured I would do it in this video because my cash stuffings are usually pretty short anyway. So a while ago, I did a mini madness stuffing. Well, not too long ago, maybe a week or two ago. And that money came out of a buffer from my bank account. So 120, it was 125, okay? And what I decided to do was take the cash out of my bank account and replace some of the prop money, because this way, okay, so let me see if I can explain this in a way that you will understand. This money was going to go into savings, okay? Instead of me depositing this into the savings and then making a withdrawal from that same savings account, I'm just taking this money out and I'm going to replace the prop money with real cash. Did I explain that right? I hope so. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so I am gearing up to start like taking actual cash out for Christmas, because it's, you know, time to shop. And so again, instead of putting this into the savings and then withdrawing other money from the savings, I'm just going to take this 120. Now, even though it went towards Mini Madness, vacation, the 1K challenge, it doesn't matter because it's all in my savings account. So again, hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to replace some money in here. And then the remaining 5, I just transferred over to Ally just because I can only take increments of 20 out of the ATM. Does that make any sense whatsoever? I hope it does. So let's grab 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. And let's do a little swapperoo in here. Now this binder is condensed, so hopefully I can figure this out. I actually think that this is pretty much all real already. It is. So I might need to break this 1,000, which kind of stinks because it makes it so much easier to count. But that might be what needs to happen. Now I could replace other money in other envelopes because again, it's all just from the savings, but I don't keep all of my funds in real cash. So this was the one that I was aiming for, and it looks like I might not have too much luck because, okay, here's 100. That works. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. And then I just need 20 more dollars. Okay, here's 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to take this 20. And then this way, I only have 5 more dollars to replace. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Let's see if we could at least find a 5 in here somewhere. I'm looking. I just replaced some other cash in here too, so there's a 10. So that's not gonna work. And that is the end. Okay. Well, at least we only have $5 left. Let me see. What could I do? I'm trying to think. All right, let's see what we have in this binder. Medical, I do like to have in real cash. Nothing I could do there. And so again, this is just what I do as a hybrid budgeter. I periodically exchange some prop money for real cash. Just $1 there. Just because again, there's certain things I like to have in real cash because real cash is what you need to spend. I can't bring fake money to the store and spend it, right? If I could, then I would buy everything in the world. All right, so far I'm not having any luck here. All right, we're gonna check this binder, and if I can't find anything, then I'm just gonna put it in. What's this? This is vacation. All right, this works. This is fine because eventually I will need real cash for vacation. So there we go. We're good with that. And I'm now seeing I have an IOU. So that will need to be paid in the savings challenge video. Okay, let's put this away. So this can just go back in my prop money box because once again, I just replaced that with the real cash. And then let's take a quick look at the budget and see what we're doing today. Okay, this is my Bright Undated Budget Planner. We are starting a brand new planner. We are officially done with the seasonal planner. I used it an entire year. I loved it. And I'm probably going to save it because I really can still use it probably an entire other year. There's extra budget pages left and things like that. So I may bring it back. We will see. Okay, so this version is the spiral bound version, obviously. This one is available in my Etsy shop if you'd like the spiral bound. If you prefer like a regular bound, those are available on Amazon. They are linked below in my description box. But this is also a full color planner, and it's tie-dye. So it has a lot of the same pages as all of my other planners. There are a couple new pages. The bill tracker is new. We have the end of month check-in pages that are new, which look like this. So that just gives you like a little snapshot of how your month went. And so you're able to kind of see, you know, how your month went and then what do you want to do for the next month. So just a couple new pages. I do have a full walkthrough of this planner. If you're interested, it is available in my Amazon books playlist. So I have a playlist of full flip throughs of all of the books I release on Amazon. So there we go. Okay, we are on November. And yes, I am starting this planner in November because it's undated. So I don't have to wait until January to start this. I'm using my Santa Claus clip because 'tis the season. Yes, it is Halloween today. I don't care. I am in full Christmas mode. Okay, so let's look at the budget. Let's see, $150 as usual goes into the wallet. So let's do that, and then we'll see what we're doing for sinking funds. And I'm just realizing I need change, so I do have to pull out my another binder again and make some change. So let me go back to this Christmas binder really quick and see if I have 2 10s. 5, 10, 11, 12. And of course I'm $2 short there. I would almost bet that I have 2 10s in here. Lots and lots of 20s in here, you guys. Lots of 20s. Okay, so I'll take out these 2 10s. Yes, one is a prop 10, but that's okay. Is it okay? It'll have to be okay. All right. Let's put that back in there. And then let's grab $150 for the wallet, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, and 50. I didn't count how much we had to begin with because it was, I think it was like 620 or something like that. 120 from what I took out from that previous stuffing, and then 600. I don't know, you guys. It should work out in the end. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 50. 150 for spending. That just goes right into my wallet. And there we go. Okay, November is a magic month for me, you guys. So I am so pumped to be able to put a bunch of money towards sinking funds. So we're going to do just a couple today. And then I am also going to do a separate video for a Christmas binder stuffing. So watch out for that. That will probably come after my savings challenge stuffing. So yes, I'm super excited about that. Okay, first we're doing $80 into birthdays. So let's grab that. And I think that's actually in the other binder. Okay, so 80 bucks, and I am doing that in real cash. 20, 40, 60, and 80, because I like to, this goes on the Christmas binder. I can't forget to put that back. I like to have this all in real cash so that I can give a cash gift when I need to. So let's put it in, and I'm going to add the 80 on my tracker. And so now in birthdays, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 42, 3. 143. Perfect. And this is the first paycheck of November for me, but yes, it is Halloween. So with my bank, my paychecks, I actually get paid on Fridays, and today is Thursday. my paychecks go in early. Sometimes they go in Wednesday evening, sometimes Thursday morning, which is why I'm able to film my cash stuffings on Thursday, even though I technically don't get paid until Fridays. So if you've ever wondered, that's why. All right, let me check that off. And then we're doing $20 into car maintenance. And so again, I like to have car maintenance in cash. Sometimes I do it in prop because it's not something that I need all the time, but I really do like to keep it in cash just so that I can pay with the cash. So $20 going in. And so we have 50, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, $84. So not a whole lot. If anything crazy were to happen with the car, I'd be in trouble. But got to work on building it up somehow. And $20 is better than no dollars. All right. Last but not least, we're going to put some money into taxes. Let me grab my prop money box. Okay, and let's check that this is $250 right here, because that's what I should have left. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50. Perfect. Okay, so this $250 is going to go towards the Christmas binder. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in there so that I have it. And then let me put this IOU back as well so that we don't forget about that. And then again, I will do a separate video for that. All right, last but not least, as I said, we're gonna do $100 into taxes. Now, normally I only stuff taxes with side hustle money, so YouTube or Etsy checks, but I am worried that I'm not gonna get to the 800 by January 15th. And so that's why, because this month was a magic month, that's why I'm putting 100 in here, just so that I can pay my last quarterly tax payment. So that's the deal with that. So let me add 100 on my tracker here. And each of these little poops for me is 100. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color in one of these as well. And then once I get done filming, I will just go ahead and transfer this 100 right into my Ally, my high yield savings account over at Ally, so it can gain some interest. The referral program is still going on for Ally if you all are interested in joining. If you use my referral link, I believe you'll get a little bonus. I will get a little bonus as well. So just in case you happen to be interested. And I just almost had a little internal freak out because I was like, where's the rest of the money? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 55, $455. So that's not too bad. We are just over halfway with that now, which is good. So there we go. All right, my friends, I think that's everything. Let's see, let's be the list checker offer that I am. Check that off. We did that. We did that. We paid our bills. We're good to go. Okay, so next is going to be the savings challenge video, so look out for that Sunday. And then after that, we're going to do, as I said, a Christmas binder stuffing, so also look out for that. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all of your support, for always watching until the end. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful, amazing weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.